In this program we have done the baseball game and triangular canvas game. Let me run the program. So here's the baseball game at the top and the triangle drawing game at the bottom. We can play the ball to start the play. So here's the secret game key 869. If we guess 3 different keys, so we didn't strike, so not any ball strike. We can do the play ball again. It will generate a new random number. Let's try 1 5 2. So 1 strikes, which is in the same position, so it's one of the ball strikes. So we can do play again. Let's do 9 1 9 1 5. So 2 of the ball strikes, so we have a 2 over play ball. If we do any 2 1 of the ball strikes again, play ball 0 4 2. So all of the 3 ball strikes, so it says game over. If none of the ball strikes, let's do 4 1 7. So none of the ball strikes. Similarly on the triangle drawing game, so if you select the red color, we can build a red triangle, similar wise, blue triangle, similar wise, yellow triangle. Clear or clear. Exit, you'll go to the menu again.